Hey guys, Jacob here at ePoolSupply. Today, I've got Hayward's Penguin, and we're gonna open the box and show you what's inside. Alright, and we're back. So, Hayward's Penguin. So, it's meant for above ground pools. If you don't have an above ground pool, you've got an in-ground pool. If you want to use this cleaner, feel free. It might not work very good, but it might work. So, good luck, happy hunting. But this guy is meant for above ground pools. So, let's dive into it. Let's see what it's got. See what's right for your pool. So, first things first, pretty packaging. As you can see, pretty adorable little penguin, this little guy. So, let's open this guy up. It's a very aggressive box. So, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this guy out. And as you guys are gonna see in the bottom of here, I have a bunch of hoses. Comes with 9 hoses plus 1 leader hose. The leader hose has this orange sticker on it, and that's actually what plugs into the Penguin. So, 10 hoses total. Awesome. If you guys have a big above ground pool, this seems like it's gonna work for you. So what I'm gonna do now, since this box is bulky, I'm gonna get out of my way. Excuse me real quick. All right, so as you can see here, little box for the rest of the cleaner. So as you can see here, we've got the skimmer cone that it comes with, the flow gauge. This is the top of the Penguin. And this is the cleaner restrictor. So pretty much what this does is when you put this inside your skimmer, you turn this dial to give it more suction or less suction. So something else that this thing comes with. So let's pull this guy out. So as you can see, he comes decapitated. So his head assembly comes in a different box or in a different bag, and it can be snapped on. But the cool part is they're very decorative. So you can have your Penguin have a blue bow tie, a yellow bow tie, a pink bow tie, and then it also comes with an eye kit, so you can have it give it matching eyes. Pretty adorable. So, something that's kind of creative about this cleaner is if you look at the bottom, it's got orange wings. These are like little wings compared to like the Hayward Navigator or Pool Vac. However, the whole bottom design is the Navigator. It is the Pool Vac, the Hayward Navigator, the same cleaner. So same design, same everything. They've changed a couple things over the years, obviously, but it works just the same. So it's a pretty solid cleaner. These shoes are a little different because they're meant for the above ground pool material, the vinyl. But other than that, I mean, this thing's pretty sweet. Seems like it works pretty good. It's got a little bumper on it, so it actually hits something, it'll kind of turn for you, so that way it doesn't just stick to the side of the wall. So yeah, this is Hayward's Penguin. So its sisters or brothers are the Aquabug and Wanda the Whale. So we'll have a what's in the box on those too if you're curious to see what those look like. But yeah, I'm Jacob the Pool Supply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.